So this is the Samsung Galaxy A04s, and let's find out what's in the box. So the box itself looks like this. It's white. It says Galaxy A04s on one side. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and a few details about the phone right at the bottom. So let's see what comes inside this box. It's probably some paperwork in here. The phone. Put that to the side first. And we have a charging brick. So there are still Samsung phones that ship with charging bricks. That's news. And then we have inside the box a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is a 15-watt charging brick that comes in the box. SIM ejector tool. And that's it. So here's the phone itself. You can see there are no buttons on the left hand side, only the SIM tray up there. On the right, we have the volume rockers, which is one single button. And of course, the power button, which seems to double up as the fingerprint sensor. We'll find out later. And at the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have a USB Type-C port. And also, we have a downward firing speaker. And of course, that little microphone right there. Plastic back, glass front, and of course, a plastic frame all round. So this one has triple cameras at the back, which are a 50 megapixel f1.8 wide camera. And then you have a 2 megapixel macro camera and also another 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. At the front there is the selfie camera, which is a 5 megapixel camera with f2.2, and it's a wide angle camera. So that's basically what's in the box of your Samsung Galaxy A04s. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.